Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, Philippines. We are here now. Is 9:30 in the morning. We go to the doctor for injection for under rabies o yung makagat ka ng garapata. Dito is laging mayroong injection kasi kailangan yung kumakagat ka ng mga ano-ano na insekto. Ganyan. Kaya pangalawang injection nun. Kaya punta kami sa doktor para magpa-injection, guys. Hi guys, sana very successful my YouTube channel, but also we are realized na content in the Philippines. Kahit sinong mga kaibigan mo sa Pilipinas, hindi dyan sila nagla-like sa mga video o ano. But if you go home, everybody praying with you. But I really realize a lot of people is a fake. This is in the Philippines. This is, if you go, you have a lot of praying, a lot of people visit with you. But if you have nothing, no one know you, and everything like have no any solution. That's why I can say in this situation you have only friend if you have money. If you have no money, you have no friend. That is a reality story. And the story of this time, I realize everything in life. People really is only looking for something what can get another, but not looking have a good friend, have a good understand, and everything in life. Now we are realizing everything in life. I see in the situation, and my sister na go visit in the province without nothing, nobody interesting. That is really, you say,